So today I'm playing Shovel Knight again. Yep. So I'm gonna fight this guy and then the video's over because I don't really feel like making a longer video today. I'm tired. What's this guy's deal with lightning? Can't you fire something more original like ghosts? Oh man, that would be pretty cool if he could fire ghosts out of his... If he could fire ghosts from his fingertips, that actually would be pretty cool. No one has thought to do that before. No one's thought to have like a thing where they fire ghosts out of their fingers. Or maybe of course I'm gonna dive. I honestly probably shouldn't have done this one, since it's like 2,000 gold, which means it's harder than the other thing, and it would require more things, but I just felt like doing this one first. Dang it. Get out. Oh, crap. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm stuck in a corner. There, I got him. So I can end the video now. The video's over. Yeah.